CriticalAsset makes it easy to sort assets by category while working on a plan. Begin on the plan you are working with. Today, we are working with the roof level plan of our health center. To sort assets by category, tap View Asset List at the bottom of your screen. Then tap the drop-down box for category to view the categories within this plan. You can select one or multiple categories. Today, we want to see the medical gas assets as well as the electrical assets. Tap View Plan, and now when you go back to your plan, all you will see are the medical gas and electrical assets on the roof plan. From here, we can see where specific asset types are being fed from and fed to by clicking on a distribution panel. And here we can see that all of our medical gas assets on the roof are being fed from the distribution panel on the roof.